everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Ahilabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to the series of the lectures of 10th class maths. We have started our discussion with the basic chapters, that is real numbers, sets, polynomials, and we have discussed in our last sessions, that is similar triangles, trigonometry and so on things, right. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is statistics. What do you mean by the term statistics? Shortly it is actually called as stats. What is statistics? Why the name is given as statistics? That is, statistics is a field of study which tells about numerical data collection, that is how to analyze data. For example, if there are 50 students in our class, out of 50 students, how many people got more than 50 marks or less than 25 marks, how to represent it, how to draw graphs, everything. You would have studied drawing graphs and simplification kind of things in your previous classes, that is data handling, right. Today we are going to have a basic discussion of what is statistics, right. Okay. In our 10th class we will have three main things, that is mean, median and mode, that is mean, median and mode. What are these three M's? What do you mean by the term mean? Hopefully you know the actual meaning of mean. Mean is actually the average value. For example, if I have 10 things, or else let us assume only 5 things, okay. If I have 5 things, on an average I will tell like that. For example, out of 100 I got 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. What is a percentage? That is 60% is your marks, that is you will add everything and divide by your total marks, right. We have 5 subjects, or let us assume we have 6 subjects, right. We will add all the marks which we got and we will divide it by total 600, then we will get the percentage, right. That is nothing but a mean, or else it can be called as average, okay. And what is median? Median is actually a mid value, which means, for example, I have 10 elements. First of all, I will arrange either in the ascending order or in the descending order, then I will choose an exact mid value, that is nothing but my median, okay. Then what about mode? A mode is a number which is highly repeating. For example, let us say I got 60, 60, 65, 65, 60. How many 60s did I tell? I told 3 60s, which means 60 is repeating more times, then my mode is 60. Is it clear? Let us have more discussion about each and everything now, okay. Before going to that, let us have a basic discussion about types of data. We will have two kinds of data, that is grouped and ungrouped. What do you mean by the term grouped data? What do you mean by the term ungrouped data? Have you heard about this? Tell me. See here, the term itself is telling that it is a grouped data. For example, let us have an example. See here, I tell there are 10 people in my class, okay. Out of 10 people, let us write their marks. Out of 50, let us write the first 10 people, 10, 20, let me write 35, 39, 48, 45, 15, 25, 16, 15, I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay. These are the different marks of different people, right. What is the least mark? 10. What is the highest mark? 48. Now I have to segregate all those points. For example, let me assume how many people got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, or else 9, 8, right. Did anyone get marks of this? No, they did not get. Number of students is 0, number of students 10, how many people did they get? 1. 11, did someone get? No. 12, 9, 13, 9, 14, 9, 15, 2 people, like that I have to write for 16, 17 and so on up to 50. I have to write 50 rows for it. How many people did they get the same marks and kind of thing, which means here we are taking each and every mark, each and every class mark with a number of students for it, okay. That is actually called as ungrouped data, right. Are we grouping? No, we are not grouping. If I want to group, I will segregate everything into 0 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. This is class, I will tell it as class interval, right. There is a single number, right, there is no kind of range, that is why I am telling it as class mark. Here I am giving a range of 0 to 10 people, that means the marks whatever it is, that will be in the interval of 0 to and 10. Okay. Now let me tell what are the marks he got, I mean how many people, or okay, number of students with these marks. There is an example. Now see here 0 to 10, how many people are there less than 10? Only one, right. Let us cut this, let us write 1. 11 to 20, let us see 15, 15, 20, okay, 3. 21 to 20, 30, 21, oh there is one more 16 here, 4. Let us cancel before writing 20, 15, 15, 16, 4 people. When it comes to 21 to 30, where is 21 to 30? 25, that is it, only one. 31 to 40, let us do 35, 39, that is it, right, 2. What about 41 to 50, how many are there? 48, 45, 2 people. Okay. Now let us add 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are we getting total 10? Yes or no? This is grouped data, which means we are grouping a set of classes into single class interval. Is it clear? And there are different terms to learn. What is the range or what is the length of this? That is the range h, or the class length is always given by upper class mark minus lower class mark. Is it okay? Upper class minus lower class, that is 10 minus 0, that will be my length. Okay. If I want to find a particular class mark for this, class mark, what is it? I have to add both of them and divide by 2. Remember, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Is it okay? Right? Did you understand? This is lower limit and this is upper limit, and this is actually called as frequency. Is it okay? This is a basic broad introduction about what is mean and what is median and everything, right. When we discuss about mean, a mean is actually defined as a simple average. Mean or arithmetic mean or average, everything is same. That is, for example, if I have 5 observations, these are each and every term is called as observation. Remember, 5 observations, what are they? Let us assume the marks. Okay. What the marks I got is 60, 61, 62, some 70, or else some 72, like that. Okay. Let me add everything, that is sum of observation. How much is it? 60 plus 61 plus 62 plus 70 plus 72. Is it okay? 2, 4, 5, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 14. How much is it? 18, 22, 325. Okay. Then next, how many observations are there? Number of observations is 5. How do you calculate? 325 by total, then you will get the percentage. Here we have to divide 325 divided by 5. Okay, that is my mean. Is it okay? Mean is defined as sum of observations by number of observations. Okay. 325 by 5, can I cancel it? 5 ones are 5 6 are 65. 65 is my average marks. Okay. What are marks means? On an average I got 65. Is it clear? Hope you understood this kind of basic things. Yes or no? Right. And not only that, by this we can tell that mean is always defined as sum of observations by number of observation. There is a basic definition of mean. Did you understand? Shall we do few problems of mean? Let us start. Now see the question here. He gave number of plants 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, and number of houses from 0 to 2 is 1, 2 to 4 is 2, 4 to 6 is 1, 6 to 8 is 5, 8 to 10 6, 10 to 12 is 2, 12 to 14 is 3. Okay. Then he is asking us to find the mean, right. For this sum, let us use the first method. Okay. What is the first method is that is called as direct method. It is simple, that is why I did not explain it separately. Direct method means this is represented by like this, that is given by summation fi xi by summation xi. What is this? Is sum of observations by number of observations, that is it. Now, let us do how to solve it. That is, let us use the terms class, interval, right. Is it grouped data or ungrouped data? That is grouped data, do not forget it, do not forget the names also. And the next is frequency. Okay. Remember, okay, let us write this first, 0 to 2, the next 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. Okay. What is the interval, I mean frequency? 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. These are the different classes and their frequencies. And the next, what is that we have to do? Fi xi. What is Fi? That is nothing but your frequency. Fi is nothing but, if it is 1, it will be F1. If it is second term, it will be F2. If it is third frequency, that will be F3. What about that xi? Xi is nothing but the middle value of this class, that is mid value, or it can also be called as class value. Okay. That is average of these both, which means I have to add those both and by 2. 0 plus 2 by 2, that is 1, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 by 2 is 3, 4 plus 6, that is 10, 10 by 2 is 5, or else for this sum we can directly write it as mid value. 0, 2, what is the mid value here? 1, 2, 4, what is the middle value? 3, 4, 6, middle value is 5, 6, here it is 7, 8 ke baad 9, after 10, 11, 12, 13. Is it okay? This is xi and this is fi. Okay. What is that next we have to do? That is fi xi. Let us do that. That is fi into xi. We have to multiply now. What is fi? 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 3, 6, 1 into 5, 5, 5 into 7, 35, 6 into 9, 54, 2 into 11, 22, 3 into 13, 39. Okay. What do you mean by the term summation? Summation is adding everything, that is sum. Sum is nothing but addition, right. Let us add everything, 9, 11, 15, 25, 31, 32, 2 carry 3, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 8, 162. This is, what is this? Summation fi xi. Then what is summation fi? That is, I have to add all those is f, 1, 3, 4, 9, 15, 15, 20. Sigma fi is 20. Now what is the formula here? Direct method. Direct mean is sigma fi by sigma fi. What is sigma fi? 162 divided by, what is this? Sigma fi is 20. Yes or no? Let us divide it by 2. 81 here 10. 81 by 10. What is it? 8.1. Therefore, the mean here it is 8.1. Did you understand? Is it clear? Shall we move on to the next problem? Okay. In the next problem, they will give this kind of thing and he will give the mean also. We have to find the frequency of it. I mean, either he will miss some number among this and we have to find it. Okay. Shall we do? Let us do now. Now see here, The question given here it is they gave class and frequency ka table and he gave that mean is 18 and he is asking us to find the value of missing frequency f, right. If you observe here they gave all the numbers but they did not give one value, and not only that here the mean they gave as 18 and he is asking us to find this missing frequency. Okay. Shall we do? Now see here what is that we have to write? We have to write all the class and frequency here. 11 to 13 that is 7, 13 to 15 is 6, 15 to 17 is 9, 17 to 19 is 13, 19 to 21 is f, 21 to 23 is 5, 23 to 25 is 4, right. The next step what we have to write? We have to write the mid value of this. What is 11 and 13 ka mid value? 11 plus 13 is 24, 24 by 2 is 2, or else you can write, just check here 11, 13, what is the number which is left in between? After 11 you will get 12, that is nothing but here 12, 13, 15, here it is 14, 15, 16, 17 ke baad 18, after 19 it is 20, after 21 it is 22, after 23 it is 24. These are the mid values. What is that we have to do next? That is fi into xi, 7 into 12. What is it? 12 sevens is 84. The next 14 into 6. How much is it? 14 5s are 70 and it is 84 again. The next 16 9s are, it is 144. The next 18 into 13. How much is it? If you do not know, multiply it properly. Do not get confused. 18 into 13 is 24, 3 ones are 3, 4, 5, 8 and 1, 4, 13, 234. The next 20 into f, how much is it? It is 20f. Again 5 into 22 is 110, 24 into 4 double 48, 48, 96. Is it okay? Now we have to add everything. Now check here 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 4s are 16 plus 6, how much is it? 22. If I add the second number 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 19, 19 plus 16, 35, 5, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right. If you observe I did not add this 20f, isn't it? Now I will write it as plus 20f, is it right? Yes or no, right. What is that next we have to do? We have to add these all. Now let us do this 4, 5, 9, 12, 12 plus 15, 27 and 34. Total it is 44 plus f. Now let us substitute in the mean formula. What is the formula of mean? That is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. What is it given as? 18. Now tell me what is sigma fi? 752 plus 20f divided by what is sigma fi? 44 plus f is equal to 18. Is it right? Now we have to cross multiply this, that will be 752 plus 20f is equal to 18 into 44 plus f. The next 752 plus 20f is equal to 18 into 44, 792 plus here it is 18f. Okay. Now let us bring all f terms together or constants to that side, that is 20f minus 18f is equal to 792 minus 752. 20 minus 18 is 2f, 792 minus 752, 790 minus 750 is 40. Therefore, f is 40 by 2, which is f is 20, isn't it? Did we get the correct answer? Hope you understood this kind of problem. Okay. In the next session, let us discuss two more methods of this finding mean. Okay. Is it clear? These are the basic things of statistics. Let us discuss in our next session with more problems of statistics. Okay. Thank you.